I'm pretty excited right now and proud as well to introduce the Kibo code. This is a revolutionary and radically different system that we use to generate up to $76,000 per day. Now, in Japanese, Kibo means scale, and scale is the name of the game here. Scale and speed, being able to start from zero and hit $100 per day, scale to $1,000 per day, to $2,500 per day as quickly as possible. And everything you need to do this is included in the Kibo code. So we've got 7 core components that I'm going to walk through here. The first is called Central Intelligence. Central Intelligence is the core 8-week training designed to specifically fast track you to expert level. It's the A to Z guide of each area of the system and how to start from scratch and begin making money. So we've got step-by-step videos, strategy manuals, live weekly webinars, mind maps, and much, much more. It's truly exhaustive with no stone left unturned. You're going to see how you can turbocharge setup so that you can see income in as little as 48 hours of being live. Now, all the training will be delivered directly by us along with our team of experts. The Central Intelligence has got a value of $9,997. StoreStorm is next, and StoreStorm gives you speed and execution. I keep saying it, speed and scale are the name of the game. And what StoreStorm lets you do is build the perfect error-free store with the click of a mouse, saving you time and headaches. It will help you convert your traffic into customers on autopilot using our rigorously tested proprietary ThemeX setup, which is built on the back of hundreds of split tests and over 4 million visitors. This is pretty impressive. If website creation and building landing pages has been something you've struggled with in the past, these headaches will be completely eliminated. All of our experience, expertise, and infrastructure is poured into this. This has got a value of $6,497. Component number 3 is Profit Vault. Now, Profit Vault will let you pinpoint the highest quality, most profitable products to sell from a gigantic in-house repository of over 3 million products. You can analyze tens of thousands of products in a matter of seconds. You can suck your chosen products right into your store effortlessly at the push of a button with zero technical know-how. We've eliminated all of the boring, time-consuming, and quite frankly, risky product research. This is going to save you days, even weeks. Now, again, this is about speed and scale. This one's got a value of $4,997.
So here's the concept. We've got a sub database. So we talked about this 3 million products and so on. But separate from that, we've essentially carved out the cream, all right? We have curated manually products where we can give each of you 5 of these products, and they are the best out there. We have picked less than or about a half a percent of every product we look at makes it into the cream. And that doesn't mean that the rest of the products are shit, quite the contrary. What it just means is that, again, we are trying to get things moving for you as fast as humanly possible, okay? So the way you're gonna do this, it's a little bit of a nice, fun game. There's no advantage to getting in here and being able to do it sooner than someone else because they are all good. Remember, this is all cream. And you're gonna be able to look at products and, Aidan's kind of looking at them now, and you can, you'll be able to click that plus button and you'll be able to add it to your stable of products. And once you pick it, it will no longer be shown to anyone, okay? That's yours. And you can pick 5, and then if you go into your products, you'll see that they'll start to hang out there. And from there, you'll be able to publish those, right to any stores that you have, which you can have, multiple stores. So the idea is you find your products that you want to play with out of the cream, and then you'll be able to get those 5. They will be yours. They will be in your stable. And then if you go over to products, Aidan, and you go into the product analyzer, now here's when we start to get into the database of 3 million. And then from here, you'll be able to also add these to your products, and they all show up, right in your products, and the ability to click and publish. So hopefully that gives you like just a quick. There's a lot that we could talk about, but product-centric look at the kind of tool set that we're talking about and the whole way that we're talking about making this just easier for you.
Yeah, and I think one other thing just to keep in mind there is that being able to slice and dice products and filter out the ones which are absolutely the cream of the crop in a matter of seconds. I mean, if you were doing that manually, you could do it manually. but it would be, I mean, finding a winner would be like finding a needle in a haystack, whereas here we've got a tool which automatically pulls all the needles out of the haystack, all these golden little products, and you can find these little nuggets of gold and publish them immediately. So that's one of the real key things here. Now, just to recap, component number one was the core 8-week training. That's a central intelligence. The second component was Store Storm, which gives you the speed and execution to create these perfect error-free stores at the click of a button. Then we've got Profit Vault. We took a quick look inside our amazing repository just a few moments ago. And the fourth is the traffic black box. Now, every last secret we know about this uber lucrative shopping platform traffic that Steve spoke about is shared with you in this part of the Kibo code. It's a step-by-step. You're going to get a step-by-step action plan that'll get you reeling in dozens of customers and hundreds of dollars every single day, even if you failed miserably at generating any kind of traffic in the past. You're going to find out how to completely and permanently obliterate the old traffic hurdles that most people have faced, see how to get dirt cheap clicks and vastly higher profits without having to write any ad copy whatsoever. And you're even going to get learn how we use Kibo funnels to double or even triple your sales. This has got a value of $4,997. Component number 5 is Oracle X. This is about more big shortcuts, custom built tools to improve store performance, to help you make more money per visitor, software to increase credibility and user experience, additional systems to accelerate profits and triple the rate at which you can build your business. And again, what we're doing here is not only helping you make more money, but saving you money as well. We spent 8 months, over $200,000 in developing Oracle X. It's got a value of $6,497. And the handpicked products. Steve mentioned a moment ago, we're giving you 5 unique handpicked products to get started. These are genuine money-making products. They will remove any guesswork on your part. As we've shown you and as we've been talking about, you only really need 1 or 2 products to make a lot of money. I mean, 3 products could be generating $2,500 per day. We're going to be giving you 5 just for good measure. We can do that because we've got an enormous database of products, unlike anything that has ever existed out there for these types of products before. So again, the handpicked products, the name of the game here is speed and scale. We are helping you get results faster and helping you scale by giving you a huge shortcut with these 5 handpicked products. And then component number 7 is the Kibo Academy, exclusive members-only community and support desk, multiple avenues of assistance so you can get questions answered. Even if it's 2 a.m. in the morning, we've got a private email-based system which will be manned 365 days a year, rapid response help desk where our team of expert coaches will be on call. We've literally helped thousands of people build successful online businesses, and we can help you solve any problem that you may have. And just to reiterate that first point, we will have an amazing community where you can interact with your other Kibo Code members as well. This has got a value of $1,497. So as I hope you can see, this is ultra comprehensive training. It's not just training, it's tools and software to help you every step of the way, literally everything you need to start making money using this system immediately. And anyone can do it. Even if you've only got, just 5 or 10 hours per week, you can get started and you can start making money with this. Now, brace yourself, because we've got something even more exciting to talk about, which we haven't mentioned just yet. And that is that as a member, you're also going to get a free all-access pass to Kibo 2020, our live event. Now, this is 2 days face-to-face of exclusive live sessions with insider training, tactics, and strategies. You're going to hear from expert speakers, some of whom make $10 million per year, secrets for doubling, even tripling your revenue and profits, proven tactics to dramatically increase website traffic, actionable growth strategies that you can apply with immediate effect, breakout sessions. There'll be plenty of content, training and help for everyone. And you're going to come away from this armed with a treasure chest of secrets and strategies and quite frankly, a true competitive edge. You're going to leave the event feeling inspired and excited, equipped with a wealth of knowledge, and you're going to be able to make a lot more money because of it. Now, if you're unable to come to the live event, which will be held in the United States, don't worry, we have a solution for you. And I'll get to that in just a second, because if you become a Kibo Code member today, you'll get exclusive access to 3 special bonuses. These are very limited. and they require that you take action today. The first is the Kibo 2020 live event recordings. So again, if you can't make it to the live event, as long as you jump in today, you will get all of the recordings, so you'll be able to watch them from the comfort of your own home. You'll also get a secret mastermind. Now, this is where we'll dive into advanced workshops with additional tactics, formulas, and strategies. And then bonus number 3 is 7-figure scaling secrets. This is exclusive training revealing how to scale your business to a 7-figure run rate. It's got a value of $4,497. Now, over the years, Steve and I, we've helped and we've seen people get to 6 figures, but people seem to struggle to really kick on to 7 figures, and that's what this bonus is all about. So remember, this requires absolutely no experience. If you can read, if you can watch, then you are already overqualified. We provide all the the websites, tools, instructions, and training that you could possibly need, and we've done all of the heavy lifting, making this just as streamlined and as push button as it could possibly be. The obstacles are eliminated. There are no traffic issues. There's very low risk. There's virtually no competition. You get very high profit margins, rapid results, unlike anything we've seen before, and there are no supplier headaches. Plus, you only need 1, 2, 3 products, and you can be making $2,500 per day. This is the perfect opportunity for people who are struggling to make money online, or people who are looking for a realistic way to supplement their day job income. Online business owners who are already making a decent income but want to make a lot more. It only requires 5 to 10 hours per week. So it's something that you can add into what you're already doing without it being a major disruption in your life. Now, we've spent 10 years helping thousands of people, and we've seen that when people succeed online, it can give them unlimited family time, and how much free time would you like to have each week? A secure retirement. By the way, how much money do you need for that? Would one of these products making $1,000 per day, would that be decent for a secure retirement? I think for most people it probably would. Or the chance to be your own boss and work from home without an alarm clock. This is something that I cherish every morning when I wake up and I'm able to see my kids multiple times during the day, or to give your kids the opportunities that you never had. Look, the bottom line is you get financial freedom that you've always wanted, the location freedom to be where you want to be, and the ultimate time freedom.